Hello everyone, welcome to Eduplor. Studying abroad is an exciting adventure and Canada is a fantastic destination for international students. However, living in a new country can be challenging and it's essential to know how to prepare and adjust. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and advice on how to make the most of your time in Canada. Let's begin this. First of all, let's discuss pre-departure preparation. Before you leave for Canada, it's essential to prepare yourself for life as an international student. Researching the culture, climate, and the cost of living can help you get a better idea of what to expect. For example, Canada has a diverse climate and you will need to prepare for both hot summers and cold winters. You could also research cultural norms such as how to address professors or how to navigate social situations. It's also crucial to obtain the necessary documents such as study permit and health insurance. For instance, you'll need a study permit to study in Canada and health insurance is mandatory for most provinces. You can find more information and apply for these documents on Canadian government's website. Now let's understand arriving in Canada, what you have to do. After arriving in Canada, you might experience culture shock and homesickness. To help you adjust, you should try to get involved in campus life and explore the city. For example, you could join a campus club or attend cultural events to meet new people and learn more about Canadian culture. You could also explore the city to discover new places and try local cuisine. It's also essential to take care of yourself during this time. Rest properly, eat well, and stay hydrated to avoid getting sick. You could also attend orientation sessions to learn more about the campus and the services available to international students. Let's understand navigating campus life. Getting involved on campus is an excellent way to meet new people and make most of your time in Canada. For example, you could join a club related to your interests, such as the photography club or the cultural student association. You could also attend events to learn more about your field of study or the network with alumni. It's also essential to use campus resources such as the Career Center, student services, and academic advisors. For example, academic advisors can help you choose courses and plan your academic goals. The Career Center can help you find opportunities, the job opportunities, or receive career advice. Student services can also provide support for mental health, housing, and other needs. Now, living in Canada. Living in Canada can present several challenges such as finding housing and adjusting to the climate. To overcome these challenges, you should research housing options, budget, and stay warm during the winter months. For example, you could look for housing near to your campus or a safe neighborhood. You could also consider shared accommodation to save money on rent. To stay warm during the winter months, you could invest in warm clothing such as winter jackets, boots, and gloves. You could also learn how to use public transportation to avoid walking outside in cold. Now, let's discuss working in Canada. International students in Canada have several work opportunities available to them. Finding a job can help you gain valuable work experience and supplement your income. For instance, you could attend career fairs. There are many career fairs organized in Canada, or use online job boards to find job opportunities. You could also network with professionals in your field of study. It's essential to obtain work permit and follow the rules and the regulations set by the Canadian government. For example, you'll need a work permit to work off campus, and there are restrictions on the number of hours you can work during the school year. You can find more information and apply for work permit on the Canadian government's website, the official website. Now, Coping with homesickness. Homesickness is a common challenge that international students may face when studying in Canada. To cope with homesickness, you should stay connected with your family and friends back home. Explore new hobbies and seek support from campus resources. For example, you could schedule regular video chats or phone calls with your loved ones back at your home. You could also try new activities such as hiking or painting to meet new people and explore your interests. Most universities have counseling services available to students, and international student advisors can provide guidance on adjusting life in Canada. Let's take an example here as well. You could reach out to a counselor or the advisor to discuss your feelings and receive support. You'll definitely receive a support from the counselor. Adjusting to life in Canada as an international student can be challenging, but it's also an exciting opportunity. By preparing yourself before leaving for Canada, getting involved on campus, taking care of your mental health, and coping with the homesickness, you can make the most of your time in Canada. We hope that you found this video helpful. Please share your own tips and experience in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more study abroad tips and advice. Thank you for watching.